everyone, this is Minji. I'm currently near Gwanghwamun Square. Today, it's gonna be the big night, right? It's not gonna be the just normal night because BTS just made a comeback. So that's why I landed in this neighborhood. But as you can see behind my back, there are like tons of security guards already. 어, 광화문 광장 방향?
어떤 것 때문에 BTS 때문에?
네네.
아, 그럼 이쪽으로 가주셔야 돼요.
이리로요?
통제하고 있어가지고.
아, 그래? 여기로 가면 돼요?
네, 이렇게 들어가시면 돼요.
네, 감사합니다. Oh, as you can clearly hear, the venue is currently restricted, so maybe I need to detour. You know, when everyone is all gathered, safety is your number one priority, right? So the nearby stations like Gyeongbokgung Station and then Gwanghwamun Station are right now being controlled. So I've been walking all the way here, like a few stops earlier. And then, yeah, I could already see all the armies. I'm just throwing out the numbers, but literally, I think I saw 5,000 armies at least. So, yeah, pretty awesome. I'm heading toward Gwanghwamun Square right now, and I'm gonna show you what the atmosphere feels like a few hours before everything really starts. So, it's 3:12, 3시 12분. It's about 5 hours before what actually starts. So you can see across the bridge, there is also a famous pop-up store, BTS pop-up store. I'm also very excited. 경찰차도 있고, police are gathered. You can still see the purple balloons. 정국. Now it's getting really crowded. So right now I'm right in between the crowds, and I'm not sure if I'm going back or not. But yeah, I'm getting to the main square, Gwanghwamun Square. I think it's really amazing that Gwanghwamun Square is like the heart of the nation. When important thing happens to our country, people gathered, and historically the area was actually the ruler area. King lived in the palace, and then the street, all the administrative offices and then government offices are there. So yeah, they chose the historical area. And oh, I think they check if we have prohibitive items, like for the safety. Oh, this is real. Okay. 감사합니다. Oh, so they hand out the special edition that you can get only today. It says 기다렸어. We've been waiting. Yeah, 기다렸어. And wow, it's packed. Very crowded. So we can get inside? I'm not sure. We need to 돌아가야 돼. So sorry about my languages. It's really 정신없어 today, so I'm gonna just mix up the languages between English and Korean. Okay, there is another gate, security check gate. And because of the security, Korean government banned all the delivery to Jongno-gu province only for today, actually. And then the rooftop of the nearby buildings are not accessible. They're really, really strict about the safety right now. Where are we going, actually? I have no idea. The majority of people are heading that way, so maybe let's follow the flow. They're army, right? Ah, so you are circulating. I see, to the main square. Okay. Ticket. I've got no ticket. Okay, so they're like people who can watch the concert. Oh, and maybe, yeah, this way. So originally I was gonna film the footage of the square at least, but yeah, I can tell that was very, very nice. You can actually get inside or get at least nearby the square. Like every 30 steps, they are like guards. You can get help, you can ask questions. And I can also see many armies are waiting or sitting nearby convenience store, benches. Oh, it's very crowded. And have you guys listened to the Arirang album? Of course, you have, right? They keep saying you can't stand in the middle of crowd or in the middle of street. So since it's a free concert, many Koreans are very wondering about the event if they are also allowed to watch it or not on site. So not only just younger people, you can actually see middle-aged men or women. Oh, they're like yelling. Please don't stop. They're like making us circulating the area. But as you can see, there are many chairs. So they make us just look around this area and then leave. Yeah, that's basically how it works right now. I think that's it for now because it's almost impossible to look around actually. Oh, no, the wrong way. I need to go to the Jongok station. There is a haraboji asked the security guard if I just simply cross the street, how can I get there? What a legend. Wow. They keep saying us, please don't stop. So I'm trying my best to capture all the Gwangjang area. So it's all blocked, right? This. Ooh. Is it like the rehearsal sound? Ah, they're showing the documentary. So I'm heading to the Jonggak station. It's not blocked yet. So as you can see right now, it's really packed, but also very energetic, vibrant. People are walking really slowly, but also following the lead. And yeah, you can see many ambulances, police officers, tourist guides. So yeah, I think it's really well prepared. It's already pretty busy, and it's probably going to get even more crowded later. But yeah, it's definitely worth it. And I'm gonna watch the live in a few hours. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video. I'm on my way home, and when I get home, I try my best to edit this footage so that you can feel how it looks like right before BTS come back. I'm very excited. A legend made a comeback. We've been waiting for them, right? So thank you for watching.